Ah, what a voice. What a beautiful voice. But let me tell you how that evil sea witch tricked Ariel's voice away from her. Wait a minute. You look kind of familiar. Well, anyway, Ariel fell in love with a boy. Then he drank.
One day when they must get hungry, yes, you gonna be a big pig. Oh no, under the sea, under the sea. Nobody beat us, fry us, and eat us in fricassee. We were the land folks off the cook. Under the sea, we off the hook. We got no troubles like this, the bubbles under the sea. Under the sea, since life is from you, we got to be here naturally. Even the skeleton on the way, they get here and it's not to play. We got the spirit, you got to hear it under the sea. People play the flute, they hop, the bass, play the bass, and they sound the chop. The bass play the bass, the chop play the top. The flute is the flute of soul. The way he can play the lead song, the snake, the top, rocking on the blackfish, the snake, the snare, and the strap. They know where it's at, I know that love is gold. Under the sea,
Happily ever after, Ursula will help her. Yes, see for yourself. And Ursula please, and I help.
Yes, I do.
Abuka Sabuka, winds of the Caspian Sea. That brings us glossitis, next laryngitis, not good shape to me.
I believe has not been a nasty. They weren't kidding when they called me brown rich. But you'll find that nowadays I've blended all my ways, repented single-minded, need a switch.
La 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 la, in that side, they get to shade too bad. We gonna